So in this video, I'm going to share with you the power of an irresistible offer, because understanding exactly the power of an irresistible offer, it will help you to capture the attention of potential customer and convince them to choose your product or your service. I will share with you the presentation, and during this presentation, I will go through and explaining to you exactly step by step. So what you have to understand exactly when we are talking about the irresistible offer, an irresistible offer, according to Alex Hormozy, is like an offer that is unique, high value, easy to understand, and time sensitive. So let's talk first about the unique. It sets you apart from the competition. A unique offer is a solution that no one else provide. So here, it's mean that your offer should be unique. You can't have the same product that you sell with other people, but your offer should be unique. If like you have two people selling exactly the same product, the same dropshipping product, or the same jersey, or the same service, but if your offer is much better than the other people, the clients will not take care about the pricing, or they will not talk about the pricing. They will just first of all just take a look about the value proposition, or about the unique proposition that your offer provide. So if you are crafting your offer, if you are crafting exactly the offer for your service, you should take care about the unicity of your product. The second characteristic of a irresistible offer is high value. So the offer should deliver a significant benefit to the customer. It's not about the price, it's about the value you provide. So let's take a look about explaining to you exactly the high value concept. So when I'm talking about the high value, I'm talking about the the the, the the value that you provide to your customer. We have two kind of people. We have those who are price driven, and on the other side we have those who are value driven. So the people who are value driven are most likely to provide much better results than the who are just like pricing pricing driven. So the difference is the one who are value driven are very focused on the value they are providing to people. So they are working on a way to satisfy the clients, the way that they can make the clients life much easier. But the one who are only price driven are only focused about the pricing. That's why they can deliver cheap services, because they don't care about they don't care about the clients, they don't care about the result that they are providing to other people. That's exactly the difference between driven and value driven people. So we have another characteristic of a irresistible offer, and that characteristic is the offer should be easy to understand. It's simple to grasp. The value and the benefits should be clear and straightforward. So your offer should not be like ambiguous, that people cannot understand exactly what you offer, you offer exactly, what you offer exactly. So you have to make sure that your offer is easy to understand. When I'm talking about easy to understand, it's like the offer should be straightforward. And another characteristic is time sensitive. Time sensitive. When you create your offer, you should make sure that this offer is time sensitive. That's why if you say to people that only two slots available to book a call, most likely they will book the call, because they have this sense of urgency. But if like you don't have any urgency into your offer, they will procrastinate and say that okay, they will come later. But if you make some time sensitive and some kind of urgency on your offer, it will be easy for you to close as much clients as you need into your business. So we'll move forward, exactly showing you exactly the three essential elements of an irresistible offer. So the first thing is to identify the problem. The second one, present the solution, and another one is highlight the value. So I will talk about the identify the problem. Identifying the problem is you understand your audience pain points, challenge, and unmet need, which keep them up at night. So I will explain very easy for you to understand this one. So your ideal clients, when we talk about your target audience, we talk about your ideal clients. The ideal client is your dream client, the people you want exactly to work with. If you are working just with a business owner, that's exactly your dream client. So you have to identify exactly the pain point. The pain point is the kind of problem that people into your audience or into your dream clients encounter, and identifying those problem. And the second one, you present the solution. So the solution is like you offer a compelling solution that directly address the problem and provide clear benefit. And the last one is to highlight the value. So by identifying the problem, you provide a solution, you can now highlight the value that you are providing to your dream clients. So another step is like how you can identify your target audience. I will show you exactly how you can identify your target audience. As I told you before, that your target audience is your ideal clients. So to determine them, you can determine by demographic. That's mean the ages, gender, location, education level, family status. So those are the demographics, or we call it demographics. You have first of all to identify exactly the demographic, and the another another factor that you can also put in action is the psychographic, the values, the belief, interest, lifestyle, and attitude toward the world. Help toward the world help define the motivation. So this one is the kind of factor to take in consideration while determining your target audience. And you can also determine based on the behavioral, like this category include the buying habits, preference, and interaction with your brand and industry. And also you can also um, you can also identify them by the needs, pain point. What are the problem? What challenge and frustration? What do they need help with? So by leveraging exactly these four factor, you can determine exactly your target audience. Let's move again. I will now craft a compelling value proposition. So keep in mind that value proposition is the kind of value you provide to people. What benefit that people get by using or buying your product. The first one is the benefit. You have to clearly communicate the tangible benefits your offer provide to your your target audience or your target clients. And the feature, highlight the unique feature and capability of your product or service. What make it different? So the feature is the kind of package that your service or your offer provide. And the proof, provide evidence to support your claim, use testimonial, case study, and data to build trust and credibility. That's exactly how you can leverage your value proposition, by using the proof. But if you don't have any social proof, you can use a contractor. You can use other successful case study that's are relevant to your business. You can use those case study in order to build also the credibility. So let's move on now. Overcoming objection and build trust. So first of all, you have to understand that the objection is the kind of reason of belief that's hold back your clients, your dream clients, to buy from you. So by creating a good offer, you will overcome objection and build trust. How you can do it? First of all, you have to anticipate objection. Keep in mind that anytime that you will suggest your product or your service to other people, you have to anticipate they will have the objection. The first question that come in the mind is, why should I use your product? So by overcoming those objections first, you have to anticipate it. So by anticipating those objections, maybe like you already make a VSL explaining exactly that the product is cheap, or you provide guarantee. So people will you already like overcome the objection, like your product is expensive, or they don't have any money back. That's exactly what we call anticipating objection. The second one, address concern. Though directly address the concern raised by your customer. Provide the evidence and reassurance, because all the time your clients need to be reassured, will need those reassurance. And the last one is like to build trust. You have to demonstrate your credibility through transparency, honesty, and commitment. This one will help you to improve your offer. By overcoming objection, you can sell much better. So here I will share with you exactly how you can use the pricing and packaging your offer. The first thing you have to understand that in your service, in any industry, you can use this kind of pricing and packaging offer. You can offer a basic plan. You give your core features and benefits, just the essential. You use the premium pricing method. You add some additional features, and you enhance benefits, and you have like exclusive premium feature and perk. So this one is the high value, like I guess value and support. This one is like a high ticket offer. So you see that by using exactly this kind of pricing structure will increase your value, because you can have any people at any stage of your business, and you can ensure that you are delivering the exact result at the exact kind of feature that your clients need more about that. Follow me and like this video.